Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And I thank the honourable member for the question. Speaker, sir, before I proceed, I'd like to inform the August House that today at Maris Ground in Flagstaff, Suva, the National Fire Authority conducted held their national drill competition. And this competition gives an opportunity for all the officers, firefighters for the 3 division, Central, North and West, to showcase and display their skills. Not only that, also showcase the fitness level that they've had in their very respective divisions, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, as part of the 5-year strategic plan for the National Fire Authority, Authority places much emphasis on the ongoing enhancement of capabilities of the firefighters to improve the quality of response, improve readiness to emergencies, and increase technical skills. To achieve the outcomes mentioned above, Mr. Speaker, there is a focus on the physical development and training, and also training on the technical skills of all our firefighters. The Speaker, firefighter after recruitment can attend to fire incidents, hazardous material accidents, urban search and rescue, high-rise technical rescue, road accident rescue, swift water rescue, and natural disaster rescue. These core responsibilities require high level of fitness and technical skills to ensure tasks are executed efficiently and also effectively. Mr. Speaker, sir, all firefighters undergo required fitness level, RFL training on a quarterly basis, as the very nature of the work demands it. Every year, they undergo 4 RFL tests to ensure that they have the physical capability to conduct their work. Passing the RFL tests means that they are physically capable to those of extinguishing fires, respond to vehicle accidents, respond to people that trapped in floods during any natural disaster, high-rise rescue, and any emergency that will need the response. Before they undergo RFL test, Mr. Speaker, sir, a health screening, medical check is conducted to make sure that they are in the right state of health and also mind to take the test. The Speaker, sir, to ensure that they maintain their physical condition, the authority is working on equipping all fire stations with proper gym facilities and equipment. To date, 11 of the 21 fire stations have proper gym facilities and equipments, and there are plans already in the pipeline for other 10 stations to have proper gym facilities and equipments too. The 2025-2026 financial year, the authority is looking to construct gym facilities for Lambasa, Levuka, Norsori, Suva, Valilevu, and Singatoka fire stations. And the following financial year, gym facilities have been earmarked for Pacific Harbour, Ba, and Taua fire stations. In the current financial year, Mr. Speaker, sir, the National Fire Authority will be constructing a proper gym facility for Lautoka fire station. Mr. Speaker, sir, the authority also takes the health wellness Wednesday program seriously. Every Wednesday, all staff are required to participate in physical activities as organized by the training department. As part of the annual cost operation plan, corporate staff are required to walk a minimum of 10 kilometers every month. With a rise in NCDs, authorities ensure that all staff maintain a healthy lifestyle. Mr. Speaker, sir, the authority also invests heavily in building the capacity of its firefighters technically. As part of their progress up the ranks, they undergo promotional courses which they need to pass to advance. These courses include a leading firefighter course, a qualified firefighter course, and a firefighter course. The leading firefighter course prepares officers to take on senior leadership, managing a team of people, supervisory skills, and test the ability to make decisions at an emergency site or ground. Qualified firefighter course, Mr. Speaker, sir, its objective is to prepare officers to take leadership role in their respective stations, strengthen their skills in public speaking and presentation ability, compiling proper records, and test ability to conduct drills. And these promotional courses, Mr. Speaker, are conducted by the authorities in the staff, internal training staff, who are certified trainers. of the firefighter course, this training tests the skills and knowledge in the fire terminology of our probation officers after they have completed 12 months of probationary period. The completion of the training, Speaker, sir, the officers are then confirmed to their positions. Speaker, sir, firefighters also attend international training in collaboration with international organizations and overseas counterparts. In May this year, 18 officers participated in international aircraft rescue and firefighting training, coordinated by Airports Fiji Limited with trainers from the USA and Australia. Recently, 2 officers returned from Japan, attending a 3-month technical training. This opportunity was coordinated through the JICA sponsorship in conjunction with the Ministry of Civil Service Training Division. And officers were trained in rescue techniques and fire management and disaster risk reduction. In 2023, an officer was selected to attend a 3-month rescue technique coordinated by JICA. Also in the same year, the Speaker said 3 officers from the Structural Fire Safety Department attended a course, the Fire Safety Regulations in Sabodia, Rome, for 3 weeks. Also in 2023, 21 officers took part in the training coordinated by the Australian Disaster and Assessment Team on Urban Search and Rescue held in Suva. These trainings, coordinated and conducted by international organizations, ensure that our fire service personnel are well versed with the current firefighting training trends. Speaker, sir, all officers who attend training locally and overseas compile reports, and the learnings are often shared or taught to their colleagues. The Speaker, sir, the National Fire Authority also building networks with international counterparts for long-term training plans. Discussions are currently underway with the Singapore Fire Service, exploring the possibility of memorandum of understanding between the 2 organizations. With the emergence of new technologies on electric vehicles and lithium batteries, the authority is hoping to send officers to Singapore for training in firefighting strategies related to attending to electric vehicle and lithium battery fires. Mr. Speaker, sir, the authority also looking closer to home for building capacity at our firefighters. In April this year, the authority signed an MOU with the Queensland Fire and Emergency Services of Queensland, Australia. This is through our Vuval partnership. This MOU will greatly enhance the capabilities of our fire services. With this MOU, with the implementation of this MOU, Mr. Speaker, sir, 3 senior officers have already returned from Queensland Fire Services on a 1-week study tour. There are now discussions to also explore sending more officers overseas to attend the same type of training. Mr. Speaker, sir, a lot of measures are being taken to enhance the capability of our fighters. With the government's support, the authority is continuously building the capacity of its firefighters to meet the needs and risks of today and tomorrow. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Honorable Nalumisa.